Back in Sherman, Texas today for a tour of my latest listing. And man, I'm telling you, I've had folks from all over the country and even some folks from outside of the country that have been watching this channel hit me up or email me and say, hey, what's going on with Sherman, Texas? I'm hearing that this place is the next place to take off. I put my money where my mouth was and purchased a home right here in Sherman, Texas in 2018. And man, I'm glad I did because the area is growing rapidly. There are many great folks that live here, and it recently made national news as an upcoming hub for the semiconductor space where Texas Instruments is bringing 3,000 new jobs and Globotech is adding 1,500 jobs. Also, our neighboring town north of us in Denison just had a major announcement that Margaritaville Resort is bringing a $100 million resort right there to Denison. As you might imagine, that type of growth means the home values in the surrounding areas are increasing as well. So in this video, I'm taking you through my newest listing in Sherman, Texas. I know you've heard me mention this in previous videos, but I assure you, in 5 to 10 years, you're gonna wish you would have bought 2 or 3 of these homes before Sherman, Texas blew up. By the way, we're switching things up on this video as my wife has joined me full time, so she's gonna help us with a house tour. Instead of doing a home tour with some background music, she's gonna film me as we go through this house together. And guys, make sure you stay until after the home tour as we'll be covering some of the local attractions and major announcements of the area, and we'll cover what a hypothetical monthly payment looks like at the house's asking price. Let's go over there and have a look at the home. All right, guys, welcome to one of my latest listings in Sherman, Texas. This is a 2015 build right here in the Austin Landing subdivision. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. As soon as you come in, you're immediately greeted with high ceilings and a dedicated home office to your right. Your home office overlooks the front yard and has plenty of size in here if you're working from home. And again, in the entryway with the high ceilings, it kind of makes it feel extra inviting in here. As we head into the main area of the house, you're going to notice an open concept, starting with our chef's kitchen on the right. That includes extra cabinet space, granite countertops, and a breakfast bar, a gas stove, and a large walk-in pantry. We transition to our informal dining area. You'll see that this is an 8-top, offering plenty of space for a large table in your dining room. As we head into the living area, you'll notice a gas fireplace for all your cozy Netflix nights watching movies with the family, and the hardwood floors extend all the way from the front entrance to the back door here, and then also to the hallway with the guest bedrooms that we'll cover here in a second. Over in our master suite, you're gonna have plenty of room for a king-size mattress, some extra seating space, a walk-in closet here, and then also plenty of room to get ready in the mornings in your master bathroom. And before we get ready to look at the rest of the bedrooms, let's take a look at the largest lot in the whole community, spanning almost a half an acre. You'll have no neighbors behind you as this backs up to a tree line, plenty of space underneath your covered patio for your morning coffee or to watch the sunset. And with the extension of the patio here, we can have a pergola added for extra shade. As we head back inside, let's go and check out the 3 other bedrooms in the hallway. These are all great sized bedrooms over here. And if you haven't noticed already, these sellers are very organized and keep their home meticulously well maintained. I didn't even have to advise these sellers on that. These are just some proud homeowners that have taken really good care of their home. Let's go and head upstairs. As we come upstairs, we're walking into the second living area that oversees part of the community. In some of these models, there's sheetrock right here separating this room from the downstairs, but me personally, I like how this room is open to the downstairs. It feels bigger to me. And then coming on into the media room, stacked with plenty of space in here for an 80 or 85-inch flat screen to be mounted to the wall. And if you notice, there's a bathroom and a closet in this room, so technically, this could be used as a 5th bedroom in the home. These homeowners have decided to utilize it as a media room, so if you have a need for 5 bedrooms, you're set here. Let's head back downstairs so we can check out the front yard. Incredible landscaping. I live in this community, and each time I drive by here, I am so impressed by how well these sellers maintain their yard. You'll see a 3-car garage and plenty of space between you and the neighbors as well. So guys, with 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a dedicated media room that could also be utilized as a 5th bedroom, a dedicated home office, and a lot that's nearly a half acre, we're coming in with a list price of just $499. To me, I may be biased in saying this, but I challenge anyone to try to find a better deal between $450,000 and $500,000 in the Sherman, Texas area. Now that we've covered the home tour, let's go and see what the hypothetical monthly payments would look like at asking price. And again, you've heard me say this in almost every house tour video. I am not a certified loan officer. I'm just using some basic math with online calculators. At the time of making this video, rates are hovering around 6.6%. If you were to make a conventional offer at the asking price, putting 5% down, that's a $24,950 down payment on a 30-year fixed rate at 6.6%. This brings our principal and interest payment to $31.24 per month. Taxes in 2023 had around a 2.3% tax rate for the year. At $499,000, that brings us to an estimate of $956 a month in taxes. Again, this could be a little higher or lower depending on the tax value for 2024. Let's ballpark premium homeowners insurance at $390 a month. Again, this is another variable that can go up or down depending on your insurance agent. And since we aren't putting 20% down, let's ballpark mortgage insurance at $346 per month as well. We have an HOA fee of $58 a month. We're looking at a monthly payment estimate of around $47.31. If you put 20% down, that would be a $99,800 down payment, and it brings your principal and interest down to $26.31 and knocks off your mortgage insurance. So that makes your monthly payment $38.92. Again, these are ballpark estimates, just using some basic math. I'm not a certified loan officer. I just sells the houses. Now that we've covered this incredible home and the hypothetical monthly payments, let's take a look at the local attractions of the area. We can't mention local attractions in Sherman or the general North Texas area without first mentioning Lake Texoma. This is one of the largest man-made lakes in all of Texas and one of the largest reservoirs in the U.S. You can access the lake from the northwest side of Denison, and it's great for bass and striper fishing, water sports, jet skiing, boating, tubing, and camping. There's also great golfing over at Tanglewood. The lake is a staple for Denison and the overall North Texas community. It's a great tourist spot and huge for the local economy. And this area of Denison has so much intrigue. The city just approved the Schuler development, which is now called Preston Harbor, a project that's expected to double Denison's population. This is a 3,100-acre community that will include retail, restaurants, boat slips, and a resort, and is led by none other than David Craig, the developer of the massively popular Craig Ranch in McKinney, Texas. This is a monumental project for North Texas and is one of the largest land purchases in Grayson County history. It's estimated that this project will bring around $6 billion in ad valorem value for the city of Denison. This home is less than 10 minutes away from Heyday and offers plenty of things to do for kids and adults. So you have bowling, arcade, laser tag, you have a bar and restaurant, outdoor seating, live music, and it's a great place to watch Cowboys games or big UFC fights. It's right next to Urban Air. Urban Air is crazy fun for kids with trampolines everywhere, but it's also crazy overstimulating for parents. The listing is right behind the Sherman Town Center. In the Town Center, we have Cinemark theaters, plenty of retail stores here with Best Buy, Home Depot, and many clothing retailers. And of course, you must have a Chick-fil-A and Chipotle in your town centers. Denison is only about 20 to 30 minutes away from Choctaw Casino and Resort. This is truly a world-class casino in Durant. This is in the very southern tip of Oklahoma and one of the biggest draws for local attractions. You have 100 table games, 7,400 slot machines, a state-of-the-art poker room, 16 restaurants, 6 movie theaters, a massive arcade and sports bar. And for that weekend resort getaway, you can stay at the Sky Tower, where you can enjoy private cabanas, 1,700 hotel rooms, and a pool that you'd only see in Las Vegas, built by a local pool builder that grew up right here in Denison, Texas. And speaking of that major announcement that we were talking about, going back to Lake Texoma, weekend getaways, and the Preston Harbor project, it was just announced by the city on December 19th. There has been an agreement for a $100 million Margaritaville resort to be built in the development and onto the lake. This resort will include between 250 and 280 hotel rooms and add about 300 jobs. More details of this project will be coming soon, but as you can imagine, this will transform the look and feel of this town. And if you know anything about the growth of a city, think about McKinney or Frisco spending the last 2 decades, you know this home is surely going to appreciate very well over the next 5 to 10 years. Downtown Sherman hosts the widely popular hot summer nights between June and August every year on Thursdays of every week. And another benefit of purchasing this home is you're only about 10 minutes away from Texoma Medical Center, which is the largest hospital from here to McKinney. So guys, this is going to close us out on our latest house tour in Sherman, Texas. If you have any questions about this property or any other North Texas property, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. All of my contact info is pinned in the top comment below. Go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel. And last, if you want to see what another great North Texas suburb is like, check out this video by clicking here.